Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 21. The base and the base angles of an isosceles triangle are increasing at the respective rates of 2 feet per second and 5 degrees per second. When the base is 10 feet long and the base angles are 45 degrees, find the rate at which the height is increasing. Okay, so this is a related rates or time rates problem. So meron daw tayong isosceles triangle. So drawing muna tayo. Illustrate muna natin. Let's say this is isosceles triangle, congruent yung dalawang side. So yung third side will be the base, I will denote as B. Tapos, yung base angle natin is itong dalawang angle, congruent din dapat sila. I will denote as theta. And then pag nagdraw ako ng height, perpendicular dito sa base, yan, let's say this is H. So sabi, yung base daw, tsaka yung base angle are increasing. Lumalaki at the rate na, so let's say, yung base natin, ang rate niya is dB over dt with respect sa time given 2 feet per second. Tapos yung base angle naman is 5 degrees per second. So that will be d theta over dt, 5 degrees per second. Ngayon, hanapin daw natin yung rate nung pag-increase nung height h when the base is 10 feet long and the base angle is 45 degrees. So find dh over dt when base B is 10 feet and yung theta, yung base angle is 45 degrees. Yan. So, kailangan muna nating bumuo ng equation relating yung mga variable na base B, theta, and h. So, sa sa isosceles triangle, kapag nag-drop tayo ng altitude sa base, yan, madi-divide yung isosceles triangle into two congruent right triangle. Okay, kasi ito, mahati ito. Itong base, mahati, magiging this one is kalahati nung B, B over 2, and also ito, kalahati nung B, B over 2. Yan. Tapos, pwede nating i-consider na lang yung kalahating right triangle. Itong left or right. Sige, itong left half right triangle, pag niredraw natin, so H, B over 2, and theta, buo tayo ng equation. 'Di ba? Pwede tayong gumamit ng right triangle trigonometry, yung SOHCAHTOA, para ma-relate yung H, B over 2, tsaka yung theta. So, dahil meron tayong theta na may opposite tsaka adjacent, gagamitin ko yung tangent. Tangent theta is by SOHCAHTOA opposite over adjacent, right? So, tan theta is opposite, bale is H, over adjacent is B over 2. Yan, kapag sinolve ko si H, cross-multiply ko si B over 2, H is B over 2 tan theta, or sabihin natin 1/2 na lang. 1/2 base tan theta. Or pagbalik na rin ko, therefore, H is 1/2 base tan theta. Ngayon, i-derivative natin. Pag nakuha natin na yung relationship ng mga variables, derivative natin with respect to time. Yan. So, getting the derivative of both sides with respect to time, yan. So, yung left side, dh over dt na siya, which is yung hahanapin natin. Sa right side, product rule, right? So, labas ko na lang yung 1/2 constant times derivative ng b tan theta. By product rule, let's say, derivative ng uv is u dv over dt plus v du over dt. So let's say, ang u natin is si v, tapos ang v natin is si tan theta. So 1/2 times, copy the u which is b, times the derivative of b na tan theta. Okay. And then, plus the v which is tan theta times derivative of u na b with respect to time. So, dh over dt is, bale, 1/2 b times derivative ng tan theta. Diba? Secant squared theta. Tapos, mag-a-affix pa tayo ng d theta over dt by chain rule. Plus tan theta times dB over dt. So, yun na yan, dB over dt. Okay. Yan, ipa-plug in na lang natin yung mga value. 'Di ba? Meron tayong d theta over dt 5 degrees per second. So, sige, copy ko na tong mga given. So, itong mga given natin, ipa-plug in natin dito sa formula for dh over dt. Pero, yung d theta over dt, naka-degree siya, di ba? 5 degrees per second. Ito ring theta naka 45 degrees. Co-convert natin to radian. So, 5 degree per second, para ma-convert siya sa radian, ang gagawin, i-multiply sa pi over 180. Okay, so magiging equal to sa, cancel mo yung 5 sa 180, 36 na lang, right? So, pi over 36 rad per second na siya. Tapos, yung theta na 45 degree, convert din natin to radian, multiply by pi over 180. Yan, so magiging, cancel mo yung 45 sa 180, 4. So, pi over 4 rad. Yan, so kapag sinubstitute na natin sa formula, dh over dt is 1/2 times the quantity. Ano yung b? 10 times secant squared theta. So, secant nung theta dapat is pi over 4 squared times d theta over dt in radian pi over 36 rad per second. Plus tan ng theta ulit, pi over 4, times dB over dt, 2. Yan, gamit na lang kayo ng calcu. Yan, so 1/2, make sure pala naka-radian. Naka-degree pa kasi tayo, so shift setup 4 natin para maging radian. Input, 1/2 times 10. So, secant squared pi over 4. Walang second sa calcu, gawin ko yung identity reciprocal. So, pwede siyang times 1 over cosine ng pi over 4 squared. Then, times pi over 36 plus tangent ng pi over 4 times 2. Yan. So, therefore, dh over dt is approximately 1.87 feet per second. This is the answer.